as a mom of four girls living in Germany. So I'm here to share my experience, how I manage to make my kids' hair. I make three of their hair. Okay, I have four girls, but I am making three of their hair. The baby, I'm not making her hair anymore, and I'm going to be explaining to you why I have not started making the baby hair for now. So I am making three of their hair, which is Diamond, Victoria, and Bianca. So the hair I'm making right now, her name is Bianca. So I want to share my experience with you, how I make her hair, and also idea and on how you can also manage time to also make your daughter's hair. So are you ready? Come, let me walk you through it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed, like and share. Thank you. So here is the edge control I'll be using, and yeah, and I'm not going to be dropping the link of this edge control because of the result that I saw after I use it on my kids' hair. You know, I'm saying it. If you have been following this channel, you will know that I'm always saying it. When you are making hair, you have a product. For example, this edge control. Always make sure you're having more than one option in case of anything. So after I session the hair round, and I'm going to re-session this one I'm doing right now, because this is where I'm going to be twisting. So this hairstyle is good for moms who are not who don't know how to twist, or if you know how to twist but you just want to save time. So this hairstyle is perfect for you. So after I moisturize it, I spray it, which I always do, and I just section the hair down to this space. I clear the part with this edge control, though I don't like it, but what to do, let's just get to it. So I will start using black rubber band in this part to start holding the hair. So from beginning till the end, I'm going to do this side, which is going to be two line. After I finish this line, I'm going to enter the other line. I don't know why the video is kind of pausing. So, and yeah, when we finish, that was when we are going to twist it together. So if it's the first time of coming across my channel, if it's the first time of seeing my video, thank you. My name is Susan. I'm a mom of four girls living in Germany, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell and tell me what you think about this hairstyle. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. I appreciate you all. So, and the reason why I love to make easy hairstyle for my kids is because it saved me time. We all know, if you are a mom, you live in abroad, you will understand how it is. And me, I'm the kind of person, I don't like someone making my child hair. I just like me to make my kids hair myself. Not just because I can make it. Even if I don't know how to make it, I would have learned with their hair, because I have four girls. So imagine me, I don't know how to make it. I would have been paying to make their hair. Not just that, if you are making your child hair, you know how to handle them than a stranger making their hair. This is just me. All right. So this is the reason why I love to make them easy hairstyle, because it's for me to save time. Sometimes I make their hair, all three of them, I make their hair weekend. One weekend, then the other weekend we can just use it to stroll out, to work out, but most time I make their hair. But this particular girl I'm making her hair right now, her name is Bianca. Sometimes I make her hair twice a week. The reason for this is, when she go to kindergarten, they play outside, they play in the sand. So by the time she come home, her hair is full of sand. So, and the only way I can do that is just to undo her hair, wash it, then redo it again. So the reason why it has not damaged her hair to that, because of always dragging her hair, is because I am moisturizing it. I don't fail to do it. I moisturize their hair, I spray it, and I also oil it every time. So that is why when sun enter her hair, it's stick. The sun will just be, as in, to just stuck to her hair because of the oil, and yeah, and I'm making her hair more often, and it's not spoiling it. So you see, we're making this hair right now. Don't take it down, take it up, just like so. Then we're going to take the first one, hold it with the You pass the second one with the third one. Use a rubber band to hold it. Then take, when you are done, you leave it. Then you now take the second one, you go and hold it with the third one again. So this is how you're just going to do this place. So in case you don't know how to twist, this hair is just a best hairstyle for you. So this is the end of this one. Then you add it to the beginning of that one, then twist it again. Continue or repeat the same process. You pass one and you hold it with the other one, and you twist the other one, you pass it, you hold the other one until the hair is done. So the reason why I have not started making the baby hair, because I'm carrying her right now, because when I gave birth to her, the her hair, so this is how her hair looks like. So that's how her hair looks like. That's why I'm not started making my hair. So what I did, I just cut all the hair very low. And yeah, I also when I gave birth to Victoria, her hair was also like this. I cut her hair and her hair grew to become, everything was perfect. So but hers still grow and still left there behind. So that's why I said, okay, let me just allow the hair to just long by itself and to do whatever the hair needs to do. So even Bianca's hair, I cut her hair when she was between 3 to 4 years, which is this video you're watching right now. Her hair, I cut it. So this is not the first hair like from baby. No, it's not even the second. This is the third time I started to gathering her hair. So for a baby, I cut her hair, and when she's 3 to 4 years, because she cries a lot when I'm making her hair, and I just like, okay, and I cut her hair. It was when she saw the way I compliment, or people compliment her sisters whenever they make hair, we go out. That's when she started sitting down for me to make her hair. So, and yeah, now she's even like telling me to be making her hair every time. So I just have to be careful. So that is it, guys. So now you know the reason why I love to make easy hairstyle for my kids, because as a mom of 4 children living in abroad, you know, you don't have assistance from anywhere, from anyone. And my husband is always not home because he's working. So I am at home. I have to take care of the house. I have to cook. I have to clean. If you have been in my channel, if you have been following this channel, you will see where I also make a tutorial how I clean the house, and I clean, I cook, I do everything. So I have to just make them easy hairstyle, so I will have time to do other things and also have a little time for myself. And for the baby, she also always wants attention. We all know how baby teen is, so they always like they need attention. So for me to be able to do this is so just make them easy hairstyle, because I love my kids' hair to be always fine, not my kids to be walking, you not see their hair is rough and all that. I don't like it. And another thing is, when your child go to school or to kindergarten and the hair is fine, like they treat them well. That is not really like the reason why they will treat them bad or well, but at least your child needs to look clean, from hair to the clothes that they wear. Even if it's not new, the clothes must not be new, but at least let it be clean, you know. And by the time they see the way you dress them and all that, and you as a mom, you are carrying your child to kindergarten, also make sure you just look good. You must not make up. Like for me, I'm not this makeup person, but I always make sure I look okay. You know, you look presentable, not you look somehow. So some people will just wear their sleeping stuff to school, to kindergarten, because they just feel that they want to just drop the child and go back. No, they look at you, they see you. You think they are not looking at you, they look at you and they see you. And if you dress your child also the way you're not supposed to, they also look at you and they see you. All right, so just a tip I just decided also to share as a mom, because I know how it feels. So where I'm doing right now, I'm using just a colored rubber band. It's not all, I'm going to use something else, but just keep watching and see what I'm going to use there just now. And this colored rubber band is just the same way, the same thing like the black one, but just the color. So this one I'm going to be using now to finish the hair, not this one anymore. This is the one I used before. That's why I just showed you, so you see the difference between the one I'm about to start using now and the one I've used before. So yeah, and I decided to do it this way because this one has this kind of pin on top of it, and the other rubber band don't have it. So it now made the hair looks even more unique and beautiful. So, and yeah, and I hope you like this hairstyle. And this hairstyle, one thing I also love about it is you can also do it as a two style. Like if you don't want to fly it like this, you can just pack it. Like pack it, wrap it. You can wrap it. Okay, let's put it that way. You can just wrap it, then use something to hold it. Wrap it like this, the way I'm holding it now, and use something to just pin. I'm going to use this hair clip to just pin it to show example. Okay, I'm going to do this just for you to show example. So for example, I decide to pack her hair like this. Maybe we are going somewhere, I decide to pack her hair like this. It will be just very simple. Just hold it like this, then we are good to go. You see? So I can say we can use this hair to form like two styles. And yeah, it will still come out so perfect and so well. You see how it looks now? Do you like it? So, and now this is how it is when you fly it. She always like me to fly her hair. That's why I just fly it. You see how she's smiling, she's happy. By the time she look at the mirror, she like what she sees. She's always smiling. So, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. I hope you like this video. Please help us to share, like, and comment. Don't forget, okay? And once again, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Susan, a mom of 4 living in Germany, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye for now.